I'm debating GE versus Whirlpool dishwashers. What do you think I should get?
The best Whirlpool conventional dishwasher came in 19th place in the Consumer Reports reviews. At $600, it is a decent deal.
Is it a Consumer Reports Best Buy?
Nope. Not even recommended by Consumer Reports.
How were GE dishwashers rated? Well, there are several models, so which one was the best?
The best GE dishwasher came in 28th. That was $650.
So much for quality correlating to price.
Kenmore and Bosch did better than both of those brands, GE and Whirlpool. The Consumer Reports Best Buy for conventional dishwashers was a $700 Bosch Ascenta.
I'd rather buy a Kitchenaid than a Bosch. Well, I could not afford a Bosch, anyway.
Actually, according to Consumer Reports, Kitchenaid made a better conventional dishwasher than both GE and Whirlpool.
What about the Whirlpool Gallery? I thought that was their top-of-the-line model.
The Whirlpool Gold is their premium brand. The $700 model came in 48th.
The premium GE line is the Profile, I think.
That came in 44th, despite costing $850.
So much for being a premium brand.
Whirlpool's $350 dishwasher managed to come in 99th out of 102. Almost but not quite last place.
I'm definitely buying that.
At least it isn't a faggot dishwasher. That's the only model Consumer Reports outright said no one should buy.
What was wrong with it?
It sprayed water all over the floor instead of the dishes.
That fails the very definition of being a dishwasher.
Whirlpool dishwashers have a tendency to leak, but Fagor gave up even trying to contain the water.
I guess it could be worse than a decently priced Whirlpool or a GE dishwasher.
Yeah, you could buy a Hotpoint, whose distinction was that the only model reviewed was abysmal.
I'm going with one of the better Whirlpools.